Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2016 300 Series base. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, Garmin, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4 nav, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.